They all ED binoculars from Shuntu. What's the difference between them? Actually, they are same level of ED binoculars, same SMC coating, C BK4, C waterproof level, and C magnesium hosting. Only the design is different. Open hinge for STA0 and STA2. And this medium size binocular is called STA4C. Let's have a look at the size. This is the L size chest back. If you have a small palm, the medium size binocular might good for you. See? Medium size. Okay, let's try STA2. Right. Good, smaller size. Let's compare with the size. If you have a smaller palm, medium size could be better for you. Also good for children and the ladies. It's very good design for birding and hunting, especially the open hinge one. Right. This one is also good when you hold it, but I prefer the open hinge one. Easier, very easy to digest.